36 countries condemn Saudi Arabia for Khashoggi death. Hamas chief meets Palestinian election commission in Gaza. Turkish jets destroy PKK targets in northern Iraq. Egypt delegation arrives in Gaza for talks with Hamas. 4,720 bodies found in post-Daesh Mosul, Iraqi official. US Qatar conduct joint exercises at Al Hodeid Air Base. Egypt police kills 7 terrorists in shootout near Cairo. Car bomb blast kills 5 in Somali capital. ICC team in Bangladesh working on Rohingya report. Turkey distributes aid to 1,000 families in Afghanistan. India arrests top Kashmiri leader amid crackdown. Saudi Arabia offers to mediate between Pakistan and India.